Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bella Helena. If today is your first time joining me, welcome. I am gonna go ahead and demonstrate to you very easy way to do your backdrop and few items that you may need. Like you see, I'm holding the material here. It's a really nice material, stretch material that I got it from the local store, and I just realized that I can use both sides. I can use this side and I can also use this side. Look at how pretty the color is. Amazing, even though it's shaking a little bit, but I will show more material so that you guys can see the difference. This material is super stretchy, maybe that's why it's very soft, but that's it. And I'm gonna go ahead and turn it around. I'm just gonna go ahead and use the other side so they can see the difference, how the colors look different. So this side, I feel like I'm going to use both sides. I'm gonna use this side and also use the other side, because this other side is super fit. Another small hole because the other one was a little bit too big. But yeah, so I'm going to hang it here, and then we'll see. Let's take a look and see how this side is gonna look compared to this side. I feel like this both side it might look a little bit more different. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. I will show you guys. Look how pretty this is. It's beautiful. The material does not stretch like this. Is my first backdrop video, and yeah, the display. Just use the wall in a low budget. This looks pretty nice. Like I say, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure you have to make sure it's nice and tight, like so that way the back look. Yeah, so as you can see, we have this look, but I don't know, I'm not very impressed. Let me move the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see. So there you go. As you can see, we have a black here. There's a wardrobe, and every color here will complement that black. So like I said, I only had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, but some of them are versatile. Some of them they're like just amazing to use on the back over and over to a different texture. So you can come up with a lot of backdrop just from like few pieces. You just have to be creative and go ahead and do that. Like I like the white. I can always use white with. I can even use with this one. Just white and white. I didn't pull it up, so I can put this one in the front. Yeah, I can do like that. I can have this one in the front, and I can have black on the back. I mean white in the back. So it can look like that. But like I say, this black here is gorge. It complements all this color that I have on the side. So this was my experience on backdrop. Like I say, I really wanted to do this because I know it makes a huge difference when you take a picture, certain look, certain video that you're shooting, and you have a nice different color back look. It kind of make your video picture stand out. But yeah, thank you so much guys for joining me on this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. I'll be making more video like this, so please, if you like this one, just check on the next one. It's coming up soon. Thank you.